Hey everybody, Mike here at Elevate Outdoors. Today we're going to go over a boat we just took in on trade, getting ready to put it on our website. 2019 Nitro Z19 Mercury 200 Pro XS 4-stroke on back of it. Mercury Pro XS 200 horsepower. It's got 220 hours on it. We just took this boat in on trade, so we're getting ready to put it on our website. So we'll give you a little bit of information on it real quick. Two brand new Humminbird Explorer 9s, one at the console, one at the bow. Also up front at the bow, we got a 36 volt, 112 pound thrust Minn Kota Ultrex spot lock. Got the mega down imaging transducer built into it. This boat is going to be priced right at $45,000, $44,995. We're getting ready to put it on our website. I don't think this boat's going to stick around long, so if you got any questions, come down and see us. Elevate Outdoors, Sanford, North Carolina. Give us a call if you got any questions.